Welcome to Episode 1, Step 4 of the Auto Body Shop Academy. Today, we're focusing on a critical skill, checking the vehicle from different angles. In this lesson, you'll learn why viewing angles matter, how to read reflections like a pro, and techniques for spotting hidden repairs. Welcome back. In the last lesson, we walked around the vehicle and learned how to identify obvious damage. Now I'm going to show you one of the most valuable inspection techniques used by professionals. It's about learning how to inspect a vehicle from different viewing angles. Some damage is easy to see. Other damage is almost invisible until you know exactly where to stand. When you look straight at a panel, everything may appear perfectly smooth. But the moment you change your position, the reflections begin to change. Those reflections tell the truth. They reveal dents, high spots, low spots, previous repairs, and body filler that you may never notice from a normal standing position. Professional technicians don't just look at paint. We read reflections. A straight body panel creates a straight reflection. If the reflection bends or suddenly changes direction, there's a reason. Something underneath the paint has changed. Many dents are too small to notice immediately. That's why we use two tools, our eyes and our hands. Slowly glide your fingertips across the panel. Don't press hard. You're simply feeling for changes in the surface. Sometimes your fingers discover damage before your eyes do. Previous body repairs often reveal themselves through reflections. Look for uneven surfaces, slight waves, or poor sanding. Body filler that's not perfectly level can be spotted this way. Professional repairs are difficult to detect, but poor repairs usually reveal themselves under good lighting. Here's a professional trick. Sometimes less light actually helps. Using a single inspection light creates stronger reflections. Those reflections make hidden imperfections much easier to locate. Many experienced technicians use this technique every day to ensure perfection. Body lines deserve extra attention. They should remain straight from one end of the panel to the other. If a body line suddenly changes shape, there's usually damage underneath. Fresh paint makes body line mistakes much more noticeable, so catch them now. Never assume one panel tells the whole story. Inspect every panel individually. Damage often exists in places you weren't expecting. Check the hood, roof, doors, quarter panels, trunk, and rocker panels. A thorough inspection is the foundation of a quality repair. The biggest mistake beginners make, they inspect from one position. Professionals inspect from dozens to catch every detail. Here's my pro tip. If you're having trouble finding a dent, lower yourself closer to the panel. The lower your viewing angle, the more obvious small imperfections become. Always watch for sharp metal edges, broken trim, and loose parts while inspecting. A safe technician is a professional technician. Safety first, always. Today you learned one of the most valuable inspection skills in the industry. You learned how reflections reveal damage and why viewing angles matter. You learned to use your hands and eyes together, and how to find hidden damage. Take your time, because every great repair starts with a perfect inspection. In the next lesson, I'll show you the professional way to wash a vehicle before sanding begins. I'll see you in Step 5. Remember, quality isn't rushed. It's built one step at a time. Stay tuned for the next step in our automotive refinishing series. See you there.